टॉपिक इज गॉसेस थ्योरम. इट स्टेट्स दैट, पहले स्टेटमेंट देखेंगे, द सरफेस इंटीग्रल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फील्ड E प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय एनी सोर्स over any closed surface S enclosing a volume V in vacuum, that is total electrical flux over closed surface S in vacuum is 1 by epsilon naught times the total charge Q contained inside S. That is, if we have a sphere, statement का माने है if we have a sphere, this is a sphere, यहाँ पे हमने एक चार्ज रखी है Q. Why don't this is plus charge? What happens? It gives electric field lines. When it gives electric field lines, the electric field lines will come out through sphere. According to Gauss's law, it states that the electrical flux passing through this sphere is given by phi E is equal to integral of E dot ds is equal to Q upon epsilon naught. Closed integral. ठीक है? It states that the total flux of this charge is equal to Q upon epsilon naught, where Q is charge placed inside a sphere and epsilon naught is absolute permittivity of free space, and its value is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. Proofs must come. Let me consider a sphere. This is a sphere. This is plus Q charge, and this is the radius of sphere R. Okay. Let me consider a small surface area, that is this. This is small surface area. Okay. और दिस इज द रेडियस वेक्टर, दैट इज आर यूनिट वेक्टर. देखो अब मैं इसको एक और नॉर्मल डालूंगा, दैट इज एन यूनिट वेक्टर. दिस इज रेडियस वेक्टर, दैट इज डायरेक्शन ऑफ रेडियस, डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, बट दिस इज द डायरेक्शन, दैट इज इट इज द नॉर्मल और यूनिट वेक्टर ऑफ दिस सरफेस ds. It is the unit vector of this surface. This n unit vector is the vector for this surface ds. That is, consider a sphere contained plus Q charge at its center. Let ds be the small surface element with vector and unit vector. Let me consider this is a point P. According to Coulomb's law, the electric field at point P is given by, पढ़ा हमने, E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square into R unit vector. The surface vector ds is given by ds vector is equal to n unit vector ds. Second, the small electric flux at surface ds is given by, किसके बराबर है, d phi E is equal to E dot ds. The small electrical flux d phi E is equal to E dot ds. अब देखो, that is, put the value of E and ds in this formula. ठीक है, we write therefore d phi E is equal to, E का वैल्यू क्या है, 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square R unit vector dot product dot ds किसके बराबर है, n unit vector ds. ठीक है यहां तक. अब देखो, d phi E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square ds n unit vector dot R unit vector dot n unit vector is equal to 1. R unit vector dot n unit vector is equal to 1, because both are unit vectors and have same direction. Therefore total electrical flux किसके बराबर है, total electric flux phi E is equal to integral of 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by r square d. That is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, it is constant, q divided by r square surface integral. 1 q divided by r square. जब हम इंटीग्रल करेंगे ds का, what is ds? It is small surface. 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by r square. Integral of ds. What is ds? It is the small surface element of sphere. जब इसका इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे ये किसके बराबर आएगा? सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्फीयर, दैट इज 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. 4 4 कैंसल, पाई पाई कैंसल, आर स्क्वायर कैंसल. That is phi is equal to q divided by epsilon naught. This is the proof of Gauss's law.